Happy Friday, guys. Today I am heading to London for a Christmas party. Yay! So I thought I would show you how I have packed up my bag for the journey in real life. And then you can see just how versatile this Joy bag is in the XL and also what fits inside. It's amazing. So I'm going to move forward a little bit so you probably won't see my face anymore, just so we can catch all the bits that we need to catch in the bag. So this is the Joy XL in the exposed stud. It's absolutely beautiful. We have the zip at the front for our phone, and then today in the little organizer pocket at the front I've got my glasses ready for the train, and then I have got a pen to put in there shortly, which I don't have in there right now, and then I've got my hand cream, lip gloss and lip seal. I can't go anywhere without those three items, including a nail file and a hair bobble, which will be put in there very, very shortly. Now, that's everything on the front part of the bag, so we'll just zip that back up again. As you can see, we've got the two-way zip pockets with the locks on there, so if you do want to be able to take it somewhere and lock the bag up, you have the opportunity to do so. On the side, guys, yes, you can fit a full bottle of Veuve Clicquot in its insulated pocket, so it will stay nice and cool. Look how I'm matching my my colours. So spinning that around, I have a drink for on the train. There we go. You can also obviously put a normal size gym bottle in there if you prefer, and that can slide down if you prefer to go for the more hydrated option. At the back I've put my laptop. This is the MacBook Air. Just want to be able to have easy access, so this pocket is perfect for exactly this reason. Slides in, slides out, you don't have to open up the rest of the bag. Undo the bottom and this slides over your trolley bag, leave it as it is, and you've got a really nice slip pocket, perfect for your laptop. Now spinning the bag back around again, in the top section I've put my earrings for this evening, so you can see in there all the little sparkly bits. This is a really great pocket to put things like that, or another thing is your earpods is really good to go in there as well. Okay, so now let's dive into the main compartment. So with every KeriKit bag you get a really handy zip top pouch, machine washable and waterproof. In here I've got everything that I need for an overnight stay. I won't take you through everything, guys, but it's just the usual, all the bits and bobs that you generally need. I found the nail file, so I'm going to put that back in the front. Toothpaste, hairbrush, lip gloss, medication, moisturiser, a little bit of extra mascara, more perfume. Everything I need is in there. So that just keeps everything neat and tidy and out of the way. As we dive in a little bit further, we have got water for tomorrow to hydrate. Probably going to need some of these as well, and might even need my glasses. I've got some snacks for on the train. I've got the cable for my phone, and I've got a little eye mask for when we get where we're staying tonight in case it's noisy. I have some slippers in case it's the no shoe policy. I've got my evening outfit ready to go, and at the bottom, at the back, I got the Secret Santa. I've got a hat to keep me warm when I get there, and I've got one more for the road. So that's pretty much everything I've got in here today. I've used a couple of the side pockets, not all of them, and I still had plenty of room to spare. So guys, if you're packing to go to London, see the relatives, doing an overnight stay, or heading anywhere this festive period for one night only, this bag is perfect. Happy Friday, and I shall see you all next week. Bye.